let's look at the procedures for doing this, and then I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you in words, and then I'll show what to do. So the first thing you need to do is you need to choose a checkpoint time of the day, a time of day that we call a checkpoint, because we don't want to be watching this all day long. That's not the point of doing this. It's a long-term trade, and it should take a very short amount of time to monitor. You basically should be able to look at the market daily, but you should be able to look at it and say, oh, the Russell is not down today. My position's fine. I don't worry about it. If the Russell is down substantially, you need to check your position. If it's an entry or exit day, you need to check your position. But whatever the checkpoint time of day is, generally I like it to be towards the end of the trading day, which in Eastern time is going to be somewhere around 3:30 or 3 o'clock. That's what I would like it to be. However, it could be any time of day, but it should be a time of day that you would generally be able to gain access to the market for 15 minutes to a half an hour if needed.